Hello guys. Again, we are back with another video. Today with the last video, we talked about blogging with affiliate marketing. And today we're going to focus on Amazon KDP low content publishing. Okay, so if you are looking to retire early and don't know where to start, then you are at the right place. Okay, so stay tuned. Okay, again, hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. As you know, my focus uh, for doing business online and for creating this channel is to give more information as I do research on early retirement. And what I found after doing the research is that building digital assets online is the way to go. Now, I've already started this journey by starting my YouTube channel. So let's dig further into the digital assets that will build toward retirement. Today we are going to focus on Amazon low content KDP, and basically low content books are books with little to no content in the inside of them. And if you're still a little bit confused, we're going to go right here to Amazon website and go through a few low content books so that you can see exactly what it is. Okay, so let's do journals. Journals is a low content book. Basically, like here's a good example for this one. This journal here is basically, they have a beautiful cover on the outside, well put together. If you look at the inside of this book, you will see that the pages are pretty much similar or close to being the same. Okay, let's see. Here we go. This journal belongs to. They have a little bit of a write-up. Oh wow, this one here has a lot more information, which is really interesting. Let's see. Now I'm trying to figure out, how is this a journal? Okay, no, this one here, not a good example. This one here is really not a good example. So let's go back. Um, yeah. Let's go back and see if we can find another one. This one here is really not a good one. Okay, hold on. And I mean, you can do these how you want to. It's up to you how you want to do your journal. Um, here's one. Okay, so here's another journal. Here's a journal here. It got a little play on words, you know. So let's look inside. And here's a perfect example of a low content. It has a little saying on the front, but then it just has lines where you can just journal in. Okay, let's look at another little content book. You can do planners, and I am going to try to speed this up, guys. I don't want to have a long video. There's planners. Here's a planner here. You can see how beautiful this one is. As you can see, basically it's a planner for each day of the month. Those are some ideas right there that you can use. There's also school agendas. Okay. Right here. Here's a perfect example. All they're really doing, guys, is finding the interior of the books and making beautiful covers, design covers, which you can do in Canva. You can design these covers and attach them. You can also get the content from Canva. We're going to go further into the details of how do you get the inside content in order to create these books. Okay, let's go to another one. You could do a gratitude journal. Okay. My computer is running like really slow this morning, so I do apologize. These are gratitude journals. See if I find one that's not here. Here's one that's nicely decorated here, right here, and right here. Okay. You can also try activity books. Okay, so here are some. Thought I had the activity book. Okay, like I said, my computer is really slow this morning. Look at totally amazing puzzles. Here we go right here, the hidden picture book, unicorns. Look at how nicely these are decorated. Okay? And I'll give you one more quick example so that we can keep it going. You can also do blank recipe books. To fill in for, like, when you get a recipe, and it'll almost look like a journal. You could make one that might have like the lines on one side for the ingredients, and then a full lines all the way across at the bottom that gives you step-by-step instructions. And then on the side where the shorter lines are for the ingredients, you can add like a picture of the dish that you're trying to prepare. Okay, now like I talked about before, you can create the cover of these journals and other books in Canva. As you can see right here, you can click any design you like. Anything you click, you can definitely modify. Okay, let's go into this one. Just take a quick look. Okay, now as you know, um, like for instance here it's a journal. You can take this and change the font to, let's say we're going to do handmade regular, and you can change the color. And the thing about Canva is that it will pull up the similar colors to what is on there. So let's say that you want to change it to that there. You can also enlarge the font if you need to, and you can add other graphic elements to it. You can pick other things to add to it that you would like to try. To put in it, let's say confetti, or uh, let's try confetti. And right here, like I said, it's really simple to create, and I might want to enlarge that. And look at that, I've already changed the front of the journal. Just simple things like that. Now, if you need like inside content for uh, your journal or your planners, I can just type in planner and make sure I'm in the right area. Photos, videos. And I think I need templates. Let's see. Here we go. And right here, this will show you how some of the planners that you can use. Let's say we add a page. We add a planner. Look at that. It's a very simple add a page, add a planner. You can go in and change things on here. Like I said, you can make the planner match your the journal cover. You can take this entire page, change the color. Let's say that we want to make this page a pink page, so it is aesthetic to this page. There's so many things that you can do in Canva. Now, just to let you know, Canva does have a free program that you can use, which is great. But just keep in mind that with Canva and with a free program, you are limited to what you're allowed to do. You are definitely limited, but there is still a lot you can do with a free program in Canva. So don't be discouraged by that at all. To get started, you can definitely go to Canva. I will have a link in the description box if you want to just click on it and try it for free, or if you want to have a free trial and try it for the paid plan. You can do that as well. The affiliate link at the bottom will be no additional charge to you. I will get a percentage of whatever you pay. It will be, like I said again, no additional charge to you. It will just help in supporting the channel. The next option you can use is called BookVault. BookVault is really good because BookVault is not only a planner, it not only helps you to create the entire KDP book, but it also helps you to create the research, let you see what's selling, what's not selling on Amazon, so that you have a better chance of selling your books. BookVault, that you do have a free trial, but there's also a pricing structure. You can do a $9.99 a month with a 3-day free trial, or you can do $89 for the year. Okay, so that is all for KDP. You can produce these books, 3, 4, 5 books a day, and just put them in Amazon. Once you produce them, you don't have to do anything else to them. It's a part of building digital real estate, and you just keep producing books as the weeks go by and build up a portfolio of books that people can buy and have delivered to their house. Okay, so that is the end of today's video, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.